The refreshed 2024 Shelby F-150 off-road truck is a versatile powerhouse designed to excel in any situation. A companion for navigating the urban jungle, enjoying a luxurious night out, embarking on an overlanding expedition, or conquering rugged off-road trails. The 2024 Shelby F-150 is a dynamic powerhouse designed for versatility in any scenario. With its revamped appearance and 785 horsepower supercharger system, it offers remarkable adaptability and strength, whether cruising through city streets or conquering rugged off-road trails. Its upgraded suspension system and BORLA-tuned catback exhaust ensure a smooth and commanding ride, while maintaining potent performance capabilities. This latest iteration of the Shelby F-150 continues its legacy of unmatched capability and style, perfect for daily driving with its refined presence on urban roads. Its luxurious features, including custom leather interiors and carbon fiber trim, transform it into a sophisticated haven for a night out. Meanwhile, exclusive details like billet racing pedals and serialized console plaques speak to its exclusivity and refinement. For adventurers, the Shelby F-150 is equipped for overlanding and off-road excursions, boasting features like 35-inch all-terrain tires, a 3V lift system, and power running boards with rock guard trim. Limited to just 800 units for the 2024 model year, this truck combines power, luxury, and versatility in a statement-making package. Collaborating with esteemed partners Whipple and BORLA, the optional supercharger system elevates the Shelby F-150 to new heights, delivering an astounding 785 horsepower. This setup not only maximizes the performance of the refined Ford 5.0L V8 Coyote engine, but also produces a thrilling, signature Shelby roar. The Shelby F-150 seamlessly combines rugged off-road capabilities with refined sophistication. Its lifted Ford Raptor-style Fox shocks feature top-of-the-line internal bypass technology and adjustable dual-speed controls, allowing you to fine-tune the truck for any scenario. Whether you're navigating city streets, rock crawling, or tackling general off-roading, the Shelby F-150 is engineered to excel in every environment. Shelby has transformed the F-150 interior to elevate the owner's experience with enhanced style and comfort. The upgrades include full all-leather seat recovers, distinctive Shelby badging, carbon fiber accents, deep-tinted windows, and billet racing pedals. Additional touches like the embroidered floor mats and serialized console plaque emphasize the exclusivity and attention to detail that define the Shelby brand. You can personalize your Shelby F-150 to match your unique style and preferences. Start by selecting from our stunning array of color options, including agate black, antimatter blue metallic, atlas blue, avalanche gray, carbonized gray metallic, iconic silver, Oxford white, rapid red metallic, and star white metallic. Each color is designed to highlight the bold lines and aggressive stance of the Shelby F-150, ensuring your truck turns heads wherever it goes. To further customize your Shelby F-150, choose from our selection of stripe colors to complement your chosen paint. Whether you prefer the sleek and subtle satin black, the striking satin blue, the refined satin silver, or the crisp satin white, our stripe options add the perfect finishing touch to your truck's exterior. With these customization options, you can build a Shelby F-150 that truly reflects your personality and stands out on any terrain.